So this is a video to show you how to start a group on Telegram. First of all, I'm going to just show you a screen grab of what it looks like on an Apple device, because I'm going to be showing it on an Android device, but it works pretty much the same. So we open up Telegram. Now this is a screenshot. You'll see your Apple device will look something like this, where you get into the chat window, and on the top right side you'll see the little square with a pen in it. You tap onto that, and from that point on, what I'm going to show you now pretty much works exactly the same. With Android, you go in with 3 lines. Let me show you this. With Android, you'll come to a screen with possibly with chats on it. Then you can either tap the pencil at the bottom or the 3 lines on top. So if I tap the 3 lines on top, it's going to give me an option, and it says new group there. Then we tap new group. With the Apple device, once you tap the top right area, it will also open and ask you to, if you want to start a new group, you tap on new group, and then you in the similar window. Okay, so at this point, you've just got to add at least one person to your group. Now I suggest you don't add everybody from the list that you have here, because some of them you might need to search for. So just add one, and then I'll show you how you can get back into the group to start adding more and more people as we go along. So there, by add people, we're going to just tap in there, and I'm going to, for example, just put one person in. So I have one person in. Immediately after I put one person in, you see at the bottom right, a little arrow appears, which means I can now continue with creating the group. So as I press the button, it's literally going to ask me for a name. So if I know this group is going to be my special group, I can call it special, or whatever name you want to call it. So this is the group into which you're going to put all the people who you want to send this specific message. Now, it works differently in that you're not broadcasting to, as it is on WhatsApp, where you broadcast, say, to 100 people. If you broadcast to them and you want to change your mind or withdraw that message you sent, you can't do it on WhatsApp. Here, you load people into a group, and then you publish into the group whatever you want to, whether it's a video or that. If you decide that you're going to remove the video from the group, it will remove it from everyone's view. So that's the reason why you're creating a group. So we're going to call it special, and we can give it a picture if we want to, but then we click the accept button, and there we have the group. Okay, it's giving us an option to add members immediately, but I'm not going to use that one. I'll show you. Once you have the group, say it's like this, and you're going to now add members. What you do is you tap onto the name, and then you will see those people who are in the group already. And now above that it says add members. In this case, now you can sit down and click on add members, and then you can go through your contacts on your phone and select them. So I'm going to just show you, for example, if I go add members, now these are all the contacts that are on the phone that are on Telegram. So if I tap one person, then I can go and multiple tap people. So now I can just add as many names, of course, up to 200,000 people I can add on a group. So you go through your list and you go and add all your names. Once you're done with it, you click the check mark, and all these people will be added into that group. Okay, I'm not going to do that now because I just did that randomly. Once the people are in the group, then you post as per normal, like you're posting a normal chat. Then everybody in that group will get to see the message. So you just post it once, and they'll see it. If you want to post to that same group again, you just post back into this group. Sometimes you might want to remove people out of a group. In a case like that, you go again, tap on the name, and then you can long press on the person's name, and it will come up with options. You can either promote them to be an administrator of your group, or you can remove them. If you click remove, it will remove them from the group. So that's the way in which you can remove if you have certain people you want to take out of the group. If you want to later add them in again, you can go through the process of adding them back into the group. But this method at least gets you to put in all the people you want, and you just make one post. Every time you want to send it to that 100 or 200 people, you don't have to go select them and send the post to them. All you do is you put it into this group, because you know they are all members of the group. They'll be notified that there's a new post there for them. Okay, so hopefully that helps you.